Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys, and you need to find the fuses for the front wipers. Stay with us, we'll explain that today. Also, we have a video about the relays for the wipers, so check it out if you need help with that. So let's explain about that now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes on your Ford C-Max. We'll be working in 2 of them. One of them, now we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood, right here, guys, under the hood, okay, is one of the fuse boxes that we need to check. Now, let me show you which one we'll be working on. So here, okay, that's the fuse box. You come towards the back, there is one clip, you push up, then you push up and forward, and that fuse cover will come out. That's what we pry. And if you look at it, guys, okay, this is where your fuse puller is located now. Okay, that's your fuse puller. And the fuse that we need to check is actually fuse number 18. Fuse number 18. So let's go ahead and explain. It's that fuse right here. So that pattern now corresponds to what we have there. So if we look, guys, okay, fuse 18 will be that 20 amp, okay, fuse right here. The JKs, I think it's called. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. This is one of the fuses. Now we have 2 more fuses that we need to check, and the other ones, they're actually inside that Ford C-Max, guys. In the passenger compartment, okay, under the glove box, you have another fuse box that we need to check. So let me come here. It's under the glove box right here. We remove that carpet liner. Once you remove it, okay, give me a second to zoom in. We need to check, okay, 2 fuses, guys, okay, for that, okay, and those fuses are fuse number 62 will be the first fuse that we need to check, and next to the corner, the top right corner, it says which fuse it is. It's that 5 amp fuse number 62. The other fuse that we need to check is fuse number 77. So that fuse will be, okay, that 20 amp fuse, guys. That 20 amp fuse will be for the wipers as well. So if you have problems with those, check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.